Listen up folks, we're talking about squats today. Not just any squats, daily squats for a week. It's a game changer, trust me. Squats are like the Swiss Army knife of exercises. They work everything from your legs to your core. And when you do them daily, magic happens. Your legs will feel stronger, your butt will look better, and your overall fitness will improve. It's like a full body upgrade in a week. Squats are functional. They help you in real life. Picking up groceries? Squats help. Playing with your kids? Squats help. Running away from a bear? You better believe squats help. It's an exercise that translates directly to everyday activities. So, are you ready to take on this challenge? It won't be easy, but nothing worth doing ever is. Stick with me, and I'll guide you through it. We'll talk about the benefits, the proper form, and how to avoid common mistakes. By the end of this, you'll be a squat master, and your body will thank you for it. Let's dive in and get those legs working. Ready? Let's go! Alright, let's talk about what squats do for your body. First off, your legs. Squats hit your quads, hamstrings, and calves all at once. After a week of daily squats, you'll notice your legs feeling firmer, stronger. You might even see some definition starting to show, but it's not just about the legs. Squats are a full body workout. They engage your core like crazy. Every time you squat down and push back up, your abs and lower back are working overtime. After a week, you might notice your core feeling tighter. Your posture might even improve. Now let's talk about the booty. Squats are famous for building a better butt. After a week of daily squats, you might notice your glutes feeling firmer. They might even look a bit perkier. Keep at it, and you'll see even more dramatic results over time. Squats can help with flexibility too. When you squat down, you're stretching your hip flexors and ankles. Over time, this can improve your overall flexibility. That's the power of the squat, folks. Now, let's get into something that doesn't get talked about enough. The mental benefits of squats. Squats aren't just for your body, they're for your mind too. When you commit to doing squats every day, you're building discipline. You're showing up for yourself day after day. That kind of consistency builds mental toughness. It's like training your willpower muscle. Squats can boost your mood too. When you exercise, your body releases endorphins. These are feel-good chemicals that can lift your spirits. After a week of daily squats, you might notice you're feeling more positive, more energetic. There's also something to be said for the sense of accomplishment. Every day you complete your squats, you're achieving a goal. This builds confidence. And let's not forget about stress relief. Squats, like any exercise, can help reduce stress. It's like squats are not just transforming your body, but your mind too. Section 4. The science behind the squat. Alright, let's get a bit nerdy for a second. There's actual science behind why squats are so effective. When you squat, you're using multiple muscle groups at once. This is called a compound exercise. And compound exercises are like hitting the jackpot in terms of efficiency. They burn more calories and build more muscle than isolated exercises. Squats can actually boost your testosterone levels. Studies have shown that compound exercises like squats can increase testosterone production. Testosterone helps build muscle, burn fat, and even improves mood. Now let's talk about the afterburn effect. When you do intense exercises like squats, your body continues to burn calories even after you're done. Over a week of daily squats, this can add up to significant calorie burn. Squats can actually improve your bone density. Pretty cool, right? Section 5. Perfect your form squat like a pro. Alright, now we're getting to the nitty-gritty. Form is everything when it comes to squats. Get it right, and you'll maximize your gains and minimize your risk of injury. First things first, your feet. They should be about shoulder width apart, toes pointing slightly outward. This gives you a stable base. Now as you start to lower yourself, keep your chest up and your core tight. Imagine you're trying to show off a logo on your shirt. As you go down, push your hips back like you're sitting in a chair. Your knees should track over your toes, not cave inward. Go as low as you can while maintaining good form. For some, that might be parallel to the ground. For others, it might be a bit higher. Listen to your body. As you push back up, drive through your heels. This engages your glutes and hamstrings more effectively. And don't forget to breathe. Inhale as you go down, exhale as you push up. Keep your gaze forward, pick a spot on the wall in front of you and focus on it. Remember, practice makes perfect. Section 6. Avoiding pitfalls, common squat mistakes. Now let's talk about what not to do. There are some common mistakes people make when squatting. Avoiding these will keep you safe and help you get the most out of your squats. First up, don't let your knees cave in. When your knees collapse inward, it puts stress on your joints and can lead to injury. Keep those knees tracking over your toes. Another common mistake is rounding your back. This happens when people try to go too low without proper flexibility. It can put a lot of stress on your spine. Remember, it's better to not go as deep and maintain a straight back than to round your back to get lower. Think about keeping your chest up and your core engaged. Don't let your heels come off the ground. When you rise up from a squat, you might be tempted to come up onto your toes. Don't do it. This shifts the weight to the front of your feet and can throw off your balance. Keep those heels planted. Lastly, don't rush. Squats aren't a race. Take your time, Focus on quality over quantity, and you'll see better results in the long run.